Hi. So in this course of electromagnetics engineering, we have seen previously about spherical coordinate systems, the cylindrical coordinate systems. Also, we have seen how can we represent the unit vectors for each of these coordinate systems. Also, one important thing what we have concluded that the coordinates or unit vectors of given system is always orthonormal to each other. Along with that, we have seen the significance of coordinate systems. Why do we require this coordinate systems and their potential applications? So these are the things we have discussed so far. Now in today's session, we're going to talk about first that how can we convert a given point in or from Cartesian coordinates. So we may consider we have a coordinates in Cartesian form and we need to convert into spherical form, and in other case it would be a reverse scenario. So we should understand how can we convert a point from Cartesian to spherical and vice versa. But many applications, especially we require to convert a vector rather than a point. So we'll also look about how do we represent a vector from Cartesian to spherical coordinates. Okay, so that is the one exercise we are going to do. We solve some examples to understand how can we convert a point or a vector from Cartesian to spherical or vice versa. However, these methods of converting from any coordinates to given coordinates, it may be a time consuming when you have a vector. So we mostly prefer to have a matrix based representation of vector, or I would say the conversion of given vector from one to other coordinates will be done on based on matrix multiplication. The reason of choosing matrix based operation is to simplify the conversion process. So here in this session we are going to have a matrix representation of given vector in such a way that we can directly convert a given vector from given coordinate to desired coordinate just through matrix multiplication. The only thing is we should identify or determine what should be the matrix for conversion from given coordinates. So using a simple matrix multiplication, or let's say inverse matrix multiplication, we can get the vector representation in given coordinates. So in the session, we are going to talk about this conversions of vector or points, and we just try to derive one important stuff that is about matrix based representations. Thank you.